Alright, you guys have a great day.
So we are in West Long Branch today for a dishwasher install. We have Sebastian, Karl, Ryan, and Julian here, and they are working on getting the old unit out, getting that into the box truck, and getting the new unit in place for installation tomorrow.
Oh, you're nice and straight,
Moving a heavy dishwasher through a tight kitchen takes skill and teamwork. Let's jump in and see how the crew handles this job.
Hook up the plumbing, or do I need to bring the plumber behind you?
I mean, that'd be great, yeah, if you pull the plumber. We work with him too.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just tell me when you want the plumber.
Okay. Tomorrow, maybe? Our main goal is to try to get this thing out there and get the new one set in place. That's our goal for today.
Good.
The overall process of putting this installation together was based on more than just availability. It also depended on the delivery timeline of the unit itself. We closely tracked the shipment, and once it was confirmed in transit, we began locking dates into the calendar. Technician scheduling was based on skill set, availability, and alignment with the customer's schedule.
My name's Karl, work at Malachy Parts and Service. We've so far removed the monstrous dish machine and replaced it with this smaller guy. We're getting everything prepped for initial install and see what other kind of problems we run into from there.
Hey! What are you doing over there?
Hit it harder!
What are you doing?
Take those small cup wheels out of the middle and put them back here. I don't think that'll set. See if those are loose. Are those cup wheels tight to the leg? Oh, they're not. So pull them out. Let's put them back here. It's free.
Alright, you guys have a great day.
Why are you letting the animal wildlife in?
Every weekend they come every Monday.
They come for the mimosas, huh?
2, 3. Alright, hold it. I gotta go around the steam pipe right here, so I'm gonna have you guys go against the wall.
Wow. No, put your eyes on.
You want me to pull it down here?
Pull it. Yeah. But where's it gonna? Don't you have to take the two ends off?
We're just taking. No, we're gonna leave one end on.
Oh, yo, get some wire snips. Snip all that. Yeah.
Okay, we're going home. We gotta go down, Center.
That's all you need. We're in.
I'm Ryan with Malachy Parts and Service. We removed a 26-foot Hobart flight dishwasher and installed a 66 dishwasher by Jackson. We had a couple of hiccups getting the unit out, down around through the corridor, but we actually got it out, got it separated, and got it hauled off to the recycle company for environmental. And basically, this unit is ready for